Hello friends, so today I begin with afternoon, and today lunch I will make dal rice with roasted chicken. Okay, I will roast it in oven, so I need the chicken. First of all, I will make hole all over the chicken. You know, the spice will go inside and the chicken will be tasty. Okay, like that. Okay, from front, from back. Okay, so friend, I put it in a roasting bag. Okay, like this. I will show you now, just a minute. Okay, like that, in roasting bag. Okay, and just a minute. Okay, and now I will make hole in this one also, in the bag. Okay, like that, 3-4 places. Okay, three places. Okay, I make hole in this one, and now I will keep it 2 hours. You can keep all overnight, you can keep 6 hours, it's okay, 6 hours, but I don't have time. I will keep it 2 hours. Okay, like this. Then I will roast it. Okay, see you later. So now I will put the chicken in oven. Okay, I will put, as you see here, the maximum is 230. Okay, I will put it the maximum degree here, as you see, 230. Hope you see. And here I will put down only, from down. You will see here, from down. Okay, and I will keep it 45 minutes. Okay, okay, now Bismillah, and I will put it inside. Okay, 45 minutes. Then I will see you later. So maximum in your oven, what's maximum? I have 230, so I will put it in 230. Then only from down. Okay, here only from down. Okay, from down, and 45 minutes the timer. See you later. Now friend, I will take the bag from outside, and I will put it on the top, like 10 minutes. If I need more, I will add more minutes. Okay, you will see that. So friend, now I put it same degree, like the maximum. Okay, 230, and now I put it on high level. Okay, I will put 10 minutes. Then I will check if I need 5 minutes more. I will add 5 minutes more. Okay, so this is the final look for the chicken. Okay, it's yummy, and I will put the foil like this to keep it hot. Okay, so we will eat, and we will see you later.